P1456 Honda Evaporative Emissions Control System Leakage Fuel Tank. Possible causes: 1. Missing fuel cap. 2. Incorrect fuel filler cap used. 3. Fuel filler cap remains open or fails to close. 4. Foreign matter caught in fuel filler cap. 5. EVAP purge control solenoid. 6. EVAP canister. 7. Fuel tank pressure sensor. Tech notes. Usually, loose or bad fuel tank filler cap will trigger this codes. Retighten fuel tank filler cap and erase code to repair the problem. When is the code detected? The P1456 code is detected when the EVAP system has a very small leak. Possible symptoms: engine light on, or service engine soon warning light, possible unnoticeable fuel odor caused by the release of fuel vapors. P1456 Honda description: the evaporative emission, EVAP, control system stores fuel vapor from the fuel tank in the EVAP canister temporarily to prevent it from escaping to the atmosphere and to enable it to be drawn into the engine by intake manifold vacuum and burned. In addition, the onboard refueling vapor recovery system, ORVR, stores fuel vapor generated when refueling in the EVAP canister. The EVAP control system leak detection method improves the accuracy and frequency of the detection by determining faulty components and vapor leakage for each part. The EVAP control system, from the purge valve to the fuel tank, is divided into two parts. One is the EVAP canister side, from the EVAP two-way valve to the purge valve, and the other is the tank side, from the EVAP two-way valve to the fuel tank. There is 0.04-inch leak detection and 0.02-inch leak detection. If the 0.04-inch leak detection results are okay, the 0.02-inch leak detection runs.